Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your BMW X6 using an easy method. This is a straightforward maintenance task you can do yourself, saving time and money. First, gather your essential tools, including a 27mm socket, a torque wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool before you begin. Now let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your BMW X6 or use ramps to access the underside. Locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 17mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the plug and let all the old engine oil flow out completely. This step ensures you remove as much contaminated oil as possible. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use your 27mm socket to remove the oil filter housing, typically found on top of the engine. Replace the old filter element and O-rings with new ones, ensuring they are properly seated for a good seal. Then, pour in the new engine oil. Most BMW X6 models require about 8 to 9 liters of fresh, high-quality oil. Finally, let's wrap things up. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 25 Nm to prevent leaks. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then carefully check for any signs of leakage around both the drain plug and the new oil filter housing. Once the engine has cooled slightly, verify the oil level using your vehicle's dipstick or the xDrive system to ensure it's at the correct mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.